All right, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to be answering a question, and I think it would also be a great topic for a video today. So out of the currently available SEO tools available on AppSumo, which one would you recommend the most? Let's get started. I've created about 1,000 videos on this channel. I'm not able to pull in more than 300 anyways, but I did pull in the last 175 right there using AI. I was able to come over here and use one of my tools that I built inside of Base 44, and it was able to scrape the last 75 really quick at the quick click of a button. Then we came here to Gemini and did a thread right here. And so we're going to kind of go over this right here. It's going to help me answer some of the things in the past and some of the deals that are currently available on AppSumo. So here we are in AppSumo. And we're talking about SEO tools. There's been some really good tools that have come across that have been like SEMrush and Ahrefs alternatives. Unfortunately, right now on, January 29th, 2026, there is no tool currently available right now that satisfies that alternative, which is like an amazing keyword research tool and does a bunch of SEO stuff. But if I was doing SEO and I needed to buy some LTDs on AppSumo, these are the tools that I'm aware of and that I would pick out. Okay. So a couple things, you can go and do your search. I'll leave a link below that you can go to AppSumo and pick up some tools. But what you can do over here is you can go over here and you can go into the marketing and sales, and then you can go into SEO right here, right? So it's going to give you the 21 tools available on AppSumo right now. And so I can tell you that ClickRank stands out immediately to me, and I'm going to talk more about that in a minute. So ClickRank is definitely one of them based on the reviews. It's really good. SiteGuru, I just requested access so I can get that review out to you about SiteGuru. It's been on the platform for a very long time, and it has like 5-star ratings, over 500 reviews. So this is a technical SEO audit. It looks very easy to use. The user interface looks nice and clean and very just straightforward, easy to use the tool. A lot of the technical SEO tools can get a little bit confusing and so forth. So if you're a beginner SEO, certainly having something that's easy to use is something that I'm a big fan of as well. You guys let me know if this is something you guys want me to take a look at. I don't do a lot of local SEO tutorials and reviews on LearnWire, but I'm happy to do so if you guys are interested in that. So just type in local rank tracker below. This is kind of an evergreen tool that's going to be on the platform. It's been on for a while, and it's probably not going anywhere anytime soon. So let me know if there's any SEO tools you want me to look at. Put that in the comment below and I will try to get that review out for you. Local Rank Tracker is focused on local and has solid ratings. We're going to get into Scrappy and Labrika. I've done reviews on those. I haven't done anything with Sheet Magic. I'm not interested in that. Using Sheets, I'm not sure how long that's going to be around. Using Google Sheets, they've already have built Gemini into Google Sheets and everything. So naturally, I just kind of lose interest if there's just something, if it's doing something I don't need. I'm paying for Gemini, and when I create a Google Sheet, I have full AI use and it works well. If you guys are interested, I'll take a look. SEO Generator, I haven't done anything with that. Maybe 4 or 5 years ago it did, but today it's all about quality over quantity in 2026 with AI. Better off putting a lot of effort into your SEO rather than trying to create a bunch of a million sites. At least that's my opinion. I know people are still making old school SEO and all that happen. So I'm not saying it's impossible, but it just hasn't worked for me. There's a Scrappy and a Scrappy Plus exclusive. So I'm not sure what the difference is. They both have 900 reviews. There's internal linking. I do have it on some sites. I do recommend that one as a link whisperer kind of alternative. It will put internal links and a little thumbnail and make suggestions on all of your pages on your site. I have that installed on some sites and it's pretty dang cool. SEO Piddle for content, not a whole lot, right? And even if we come up here, you can go back to software and you can go over here and you can go to keyword, right? So keyword research, right? There's just nothing for keyword research right now at all. You can also go over here and go with SEO, and SiteGuru pops up. So that kind of makes me want to do something for you guys with SiteGuru. So I'm going to be actually providing that for you guys next week. I requested access for that. So these are what they have. So it's pretty slim pickings right now as far as, your traditional SEO type tools. I've got some really cool stuff for you because if we go to last call right here, I'm going to get this video out, and the KWHero is only available, ends in 1 day. So you know what, honestly, if they come back, this video won't be coming out. Let's see if it will come out. I guess I'll put this out on the same day. I was actually trying to record a day ahead, but I want to get this video out to you guys. So I'm going to get this video out to you guys. KWHero, I absolutely recommend just jumping on this because it's the closest thing you're going to get right now that's on AppSumo that is like a kind of powerhouse for keyword research. It writes content for you. It analyzes domain. Go and watch my video from a couple of videos ago. I did a full-blown KWHero 2.0 review and update video just a couple of days ago, right? So it is a very flashy. UI is, I highly recommend the tool. I gave it a 4.7. So jump on KWHero. The link will be below. This is the absolute best like SEO, and it has AI writing. It has if you were only to buy one tool, I would buy KWHero. Let's see what we get. Here's AI credits per month. They have license tier 6, but really this is a serious tool that I would go in license tier 4 or higher, to be honest with you, because it is one of those all-in-one tools. So highly recommend. Probably number one ranked tool that I would just absolutely pick up right now is KWHero. You have to be a Plus member to get this. I don't make the rules. AppSumo brought back these premium tools. The way I look at these last call tools, these are deals they're working out with AppSumo, or AppSumo reaches out to these tools. These tools are already making a way for themselves outside of AppSumo, right? So they don't really need, AppSumo wants to create deals for their Plus members, and that's a benefit to you if you're a Plus member. That's how business works. They bring back quality tools for us. It cuts out anyone that doesn't have a Plus membership. You don't get access to these. Look at the ratings, really good ratings on these tools, and they're already probably doing well outside of AppSumo. So they're working in deals. They come back, we'll do a coupon deal, launch this to our Plus members. Will you be willing to do that? And these companies agree, right? So this says Plus access ends in a day. Like I said, I'm going to just put this video out. I already have my video already went out this morning, but I'm going to get another video to you guys as soon as I'm done recording this, because I want you to have the chance to pick this up. Hopefully you see this video. The next tool is ClickRank right over here. So I want to go over here and start looking at, I mean, this one has amazing reviews, right? 466 reviews. This is the tool that allows you to optimize your content for AI search engines like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and Google Gemini. You can take a look. I did a full review for this. Go to LearnWire and type in ClickRank, and you can go and see I did a full review on this. You know, has just a lot of good stuff in here as well. Very good SEO tool right here. That's going to be alternative to Ahrefs, Screaming Frog, Yoast SEO. I think Google Search Console. So you hook your Google Search Console up to it, and it puts it on steroids, and it kind of tells you, what keywords are working for you. There is keyword research in there as well. KWHero has keyword research, but this has a pretty good keyword research, if I'm not mistaken. So definitely ClickRank, and this is going to have like all your analytics. So the difference between why you would want to get ClickRank for like all your analytics and how well your site's performing and rankings and all that stuff, ClickRank is why you would want that. And KWHero doesn't have access to all your stats. So they are different tools for SEO. I recommend ClickRank. So KWHero, I gave it a 4.7 star rating. I noted that while you were impressed with this, the user interface and the features, your score didn't change from the previous review. You specifically mentioned it's a solid tool that you can highly recommend, particularly highlighting the value of its keyword clustering and content creation. So that's KWHero. ClickRank, I gave it a 5-star rating, specifically noting it was a rare 5 stars. I was highly impressed with its ability to automate on-page SEO tasks like meta descriptions, alt tags, and internal linking. You wouldn't need to get that other internal linking tool if you pick up ClickRank, because this will also do this for you. It also connects to Google Search Console. I highlighted its ease of use and effectiveness, even comparing its automation capabilities favorably against more expensive manual workflows. I called it a powerhouse must-have for those managing multiple sites or wanting to streamline their SEO process. And my latest video and update is as of Black Friday, so just a couple months ago. I did 2 videos. Check those out on LearnWire. Now I want to go into a couple others. So I want to talk about Rybit real quick. This one is another analytics tracking tool as well. You're going to put this on your site, and it's going to go check out my video. And it has some really cool features. This is all about traffic. It's more about dissecting the user journey once they're on your site. What are the top pages they're visiting? You can see all the data there. If you want a next level analytics from the traffic hitting your website, and you want nice, pretty charts and so forth, and you can even have this really cool globe that's 3D that you can just left click and it spins and all that. Just some really cool stuff on this tool. I don't think that you need this ClickRank. If you have the money to spend, maybe getting both. But I think that ClickRank is the more robust, has just kind of like more tools baked in. But if you need hardcore analytics, this is a Google Analytics alternative. It depends on your SEO journey. You may need both tools. I recommend Rybit, released a month ago. It's got 32 reviews, 5-star. I recommend this as well. The deal ends in 23 hours, and they can change the price. They can redo the deal, or they might just be gone. So yeah, Rybit right there. A couple other ones right over here I want to look at. That's the internal linking right over here. You can go and take a a look, I believe I would have done a video on this. I may not have done a video on this actually, but I do know that I purchased this. I installed it on some of my sites and it's pretty cool and it has good reviews. It just does one thing. It's bare bones, not a whole lot of information. It's really simple. You can choose your template of what you want it to look like on your site. It's going to show a thumbnail of that blog post and people can click on it and everything. So I think it's just nice. It kind of almost, you can add less images to your blog pages when you have this installed on your site, and it still breaks up the text with pictures. Here's what the settings look like. Really easy to use, a WordPress plugin. I recommend that one if you want something like that. It's not a must-have. Now, if we go back into SEO, like I said, there's Labrika. This has been on here for probably 5 years, right? And Scrappy. These are the two big dogs right over here. They both 5 stars, almost 5 stars over here, about 900 reviews on Scrappy. I reviewed those years ago. Labrika ended up getting a 3.3 star rating. While it has some technical SEO merits, it loses in many categories. Called the keyword research function awful and decided to get a refund, advising viewers to save their money. So it definitely says that Scrappy is the recommendation between the two. Scrappy is what I would recommend. So I'd go with Scrappy, the more developed tool, the one that has 900 reviews. There's keyword research. That's going to be the closest that you're going to probably get to Ahrefs currently on the platform and so forth. I think it's built with technical SEO, on-page SEO built in mind, but they probably have a bunch of other developed tools as well. So if you're going to pick one of those, it is probably a pretty powerful tool, and it's been around a long time. And it's still available. It's still on AppSumo. So Scrappy, I would recommend. And I probably wouldn't recommend Labrika right there. And then do I have anything else? No, that's it. And then finally for if you want to buy a deal on AppSumo for AI writing, I would probably recommend taking a look at SEO Piddle, even though I did a review on it, thought it was good. For SEO writing, if you're seeing this video and it's still available, get KWHero. If you can't get KWHero because you're probably watching this after, then WordHero, I still get emails all the time of the updates and the things that they're adding to their tool. It's still around and running strong after about 5 years. One of the first AI writing tools of its kind to hit AppSumo. It's still available on AppSumo. It still has 433 reviews. We go and take a look at right over here. That doesn't look good. No access, no support, but they came right back same day. WordHero is still actively maintaining, updated, and used by thousands of users. When access issues come up, they're usually tied to account specific problems. So they did reply. The reviews are kind of a little sketchy on these last couple of reviews, but the guy's still right here, boom. And I get emails about WordHero. I purchased this software 5 years ago, and they're still updating the software. They're still going strong. So I would at least give this a try. And I mean, the reviews don't lie. They have a 4.5 stars out of 433 reviews. That's something that I would look at for AI writing. There's no keyword research tool, no tool specifically for keywords. And so what I can recommend in that case is, and I'm not an affiliate, there's no affiliate program for this tool, but if I was going to recommend an LTD to you, it would be Ubersuggest. It's going to be the most powerful keyword tool that has billions of keywords in it that's going to operate and function a lot like Ahrefs or SEMrush. And so this is a tool that I definitely highly recommend. I have a lifetime access as well. And you can just come over here. They have monthly plans right over here, and you just click this button over here, lifetime. And I believe that I purchased this changed. So I bought this like 4 or 5 years ago, the individual plan. I think that they, at the time, had like 3 projects, 3 sites that you could manage. And it's since then changed. Everyone's pricing went up and everything, you get less chips in the bag, right? And the price went up kind of deal, right? But these are still really good. I would probably go with maybe the business plan for $490 and just be done with it, right? You can outsource this to an assistant, up to 7 domains and projects. It has rank tracking built in. This is probably the best lifetime keyword research SEO software that you can get right now. A little bit of an upfront investment. I wouldn't get the individual just because you're going to have more than one website. I would probably go for this one with the 7 domains right there for $490 is the sweet spot right there. And then I'm going to end the review with, you guys have seen my content. I've probably made about 4 videos or so. I've ranked content with this. I haven't been this excited about an AI writing tool on a lifetime deal. This is not available on AppSumo, but this is also not on any other deals websites. This is a direct LTD with the owner. And I highly recommend this. It gets 5 stars. All the stats right here, I've already verified. These are real stats. It's from a YouTuber called Digital Creator Avi. He's been in the same kind of field and niche niche as me for the last 5 years. He developed this tool. He's got a development team. This is not just vibe coded. The landing page was built in Lovable, but the tool itself, he has 2 developers. They've worked on it for 2 years. It is one I can vouch for because I've gone back and forth about 30 emails with the owner. They care about their tool. Based on all of you picking up the tool, you were able to give so much feedback, and they've added so many features. You are helping build the tool. The content and image creation quality is the best I've seen in any software, period. Koala Agility wins for sure. Content quality is up with your Koalas, your Agilities, SEO writing AI. I recommend this. The pricing, I'll put below. Type in WordRocket, watch my videos. If you upgrade to Pro or Premium, sign up for a free account. You sign in, and if you pick one of these right here, you're going to get $50 off. Because of the link below, it's an exclusive $50 off coupon. It looks like they added a premium to $249, and then I have to go back and look. They either raised the price by $50 or something like that, or I believe that they may have added another price point right there or something. But it's on lifetime deal right now. This is the time to pick it up, and then eventually it's going to go monthly right over here. So I would go pick it up. Go watch my videos on this. It's a pretty insane AI writer. So hopefully that helps. And this is an SEO tool. You're going to rank for this. They have a local writing tool inside it. Hopefully that helps.